Hello everyone. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR is known for its cutting-edge research and development knowledge base in diverse areas of science and technology in India. The CSIR Integrated Skill Initiative is an endeavor by the organization CSIR to enhance the employability of the youth by imparting skill-based training in various areas related to science and technology. This initiative aims to bridge the gap between academic knowledge and industry requirements by offering skill development programs in collaboration with industries and academic institutions. Through this initiative, the CSIR strives to equip students and young professionals with practical skills and knowledge that are in demand in the job market, thereby contributing to the nation's socio-economic development. After completing a skill training program under the CSIR Integrated Skill Initiative, individuals aim to achieve several future goals like employment, career advancement, entrepreneurship, further future education, and contribution to society. First comes the employment, whose primary goal for many participants is to secure gainful employment in their chosen field. The acquired skills and knowledge will make them more competitive candidates in the job market. Secondly, in career advancement, skill training programs often provide opportunities for career advancement by enabling individuals to acquire specialized skills and expertise that can lead to the promotions and higher level positions within their respective industries. Thirdly, in entrepreneurship, some participants may choose to use their newly acquired skills to start their own businesses or ventures. These training programs equips them with the necessary knowledge and tools to become successful entrepreneurs. And fourthly, for further future education, these skill training programs can also serve as a stepping stone for further education and professional development. Participants may pursue their higher studies or specialized training to enhance their skills and knowledge in specific domain areas. When it comes to the contribution to society, many individuals who undergo skill training programs aspire to contribute positively to society by utilizing their skills and expertise to address social, environmental, or economic challenges. Overall, the future goals after completing a skill training program may vary depending on the individual aspirations, career objectives, and the specific opportunities available in the chosen field.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel.